Um, Hello, my name is David. Our presentation is capacitors in train applications is science. My group is Juan Garcia and Maria Rodriguez, and I, Osman Barreto. Good. Introductions is capacitors are important electric device used in the area of sensing and technology. Train store electrical energy and finance it when needed. In its presentation, we will explain what is uh, capacitors are and train applications is different points. What is capacitor? Definitions. A capacitor is electrical component what stores electrical energy in an electrical field. It is made of two conductive plate separates bit and insulating material reagent the electric. Capacitors are commonly using electricals in our bits.
How does it work? A capacitor works by storing electrical energy when it's connected to a power source. This process is called charging. And when the energy is needed, the capacitor releases it when it is needed. This process is called discharging. Uh, there are applications in physics. There's are used to study electrical energy and electric fields. They are also used in experiments with circuits and signal processing. And capacitors help scientists understand how electricity works. And also their application in engineering. These are used in power supplies and electronic circuits, and they'll help to regulate voltage and reduce electrical noise. They are essential components in computers, television, and many electronic devices.
Hello, my name is Maria Rodriguez, application in the medicine. And medicine capacitation are used in the important diseases such as refrigerators. The refrigerator uses capacitation to deliver an electric shock to the arm. This can help resolve a normal heartbeat and save life. An application in technology. I'm in technology capacitation are used in electric ve- vehicles and renewable energy system. They help store and manage energy efficiently. They are also used in motors and industrial machines. Conclusion, capacitors are a very important device science and technology. They are stored and reacts electrical energy efficiently. They are used in main such as science, energy, medicine, and technology. Thank you.